Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the fail to connect error in Fall Guys. First, check the server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your side. The servers from Epic Games may be down or under maintenance. Open your browser and search for Epic Games server status. If the servers are down, you just need to wait until they are back online. Next, verify the game files. If you are using the Epic Games launcher, open it and go to your library. Find Fall Guys, click the three dots, and choose Verify. If you are using Steam, go to your library, right-click on Fall Guys, click Properties, then Installed Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will repair any missing or corrupted files. Now check your time and date settings. The wrong time can stop the game from logging in. On Windows, open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Restart your PC after this. If you are on PC, try disabling your firewall or antivirus for a short time. Sometimes they block the game connection. Turn them off, launch the game, and see if it works. If it does, add Fall Guys as an exception before turning security back on. After trying all these steps, restart your device and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.